Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. This is Peter Drury, and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
Quick look at the lineups. Got things underway. Now the pass. Floats one over. He's made sure that that won't get through. Long and high towards the flank. Pumps it upfield. Ball's out on the left now. Chance! Shapes to shoot! Too long to get the shot away.
Well look, that's what happens when you're caught in two minds. You just don't know what you're doing. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled and now they've got to back it up.
It's a long pass towards the front. Pass it over to the other flank. Tries the route one option.
It's a busy front line, lots of movement.
And is that working for you?
Well, not really. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of taking goal potential away from the penalty box.
And it's Lens who take the lead. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal.
Lens go ahead, 1 goal to the good. Lens making the ideal start. It is something to build on.
What a good start to the game. I think their play has been fast and inventive, and this is a fine example of early intent. They've begun as they mean to go on, and another goal is on the cards.
Tries a through ball. Now here's the through ball. It through, and the cutback. Who's going to make this theirs? So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. The shot's on! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
Yeah, and it's very good play to force the initial error there. That's what created the opening in the first place.
All the way back, and they start again. forward. What does he try from here? Tries to get it forward quickly. Thrust towards the front line. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Out to the left it goes. Keeper sees it all the way. Defending was physical, no nonsense, and it had to be. Looks like a good ball through. They've managed to get it away. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Looks to slip it through. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Tries a through ball. Big chance! Back of the net! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Lens take a two-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Oh, he's broken through. The defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Now the pass. Has a swing at it! This could fall anywhere! That's a half-decent try.
Well, when it becomes that speculative, I think it requires something from the very top drawer, and he had to think a little bit more about that. In the end, he's just opted for raw power.
Diving header! That's it for the first half. A breathless ending. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Lens will be asked to reproduce something similar to that first half performance after the restart. They've asserted an authority, and they really shouldn't complicate things from here.
Lens in control at half-time, 2-0. Well played, he saw that coming. Knocks it towards the front. The referee's awarded a free kick. He's having a go, and that is quite wonderful! A finish right from the top draw!
Unbelievable.
The second half sparked straight into life. Dispatched expertly, nicely done. We have got ourselves a game here.
Well, I think they probably needed an early goal in this half just to give them the confidence and belief to push on and look for an equaliser.
Goes for goal! He's hit it first time.
I think it's a very good try, and I think he chose the right option, but let me tell you, that's a tough skill.
Spoon forward. Oh, good interception. Quick thinking by the keeper, he did well. Aimed wide, and he'd have done well to reach that. Aimed long and direct. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Hits one! Oh, they did so well to set it up.
They used the 1-2 to great effect in working their way through the middle then. A little more luck though, and they may have been celebrating.
Good idea, just poorly executed. Crosses into the box. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement.
This defence is wary about opposition pace.
So they're just not getting too tight.
Yeah, they know that if they step up, their keeper could get a whole lot busier.
Passes it through. Firmly met. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Pushes it out wide. He's got the ball glued to his feet. Now here's the through ball. Away from immediate danger. And he's there to cut it out. Plays it long. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Gets it back. Looks like a good ball through. Pumps it upfield. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
He timed his run brilliantly, and I think he has every right to be a little annoyed with the passer then, and I think he's letting him know right now about that. Just a little more behind it was needed.
Clears it out of harm's way.
There's a real confidence about them, and they look as though fitness levels and energy are still strong, but they have to maintain possession. They can't afford to lose it again. Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. There's going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on. Oh, he's come flying in. And he's whipped it in low. And that would have won it.
What a massive let-off that was. They're still in it, but this could be pivotal.
That's one way to make your presence felt.
Well, in all honesty, he's tormented that defence. They just can't handle him.
Poorly directed kick from the keeper, he's given it away. Looks to bypass the midfield. Aim forward. Plays it out to the wing. Looks to thread it through. The final 5 minutes. Lens need to hold on for a few more moments. Who's going to make this theirs? Tries a through ball, lofted into the middle. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Spoon forward. Now the pass. Going for goal! Can he put it away? Tries to get it forward quickly. Surely! Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Lens have held on. A knife-edge game, a single goal margin, but they have won it. How would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
I think when we look back at that, the early goal proved so decisive. I think scoring when they did just gave them that element of control and confidence, and that proved key.
So before we go, many thanks to Jim Beglin for his input, and from us both, good afternoon.